Cybersecurity for me is all about how to be secure in the internet, in the network.
Securing computers and networks so that they're not as vulnerable to attacks.
It's about protecting yourself in the digital world.
Cybersecurity is a core part in basically everything today because everything is digital, everything is cyber, so it naturally becomes a part of it.
I think that it is very important that they know what the dangers out there, because I remember when I was young I had no clue. I also did the typical mistake having the same password for all kinds of accounts, not paying any kind of attention about the data out there, and actually once you start thinking about it, it's actually very scary.
I mean, I even invested in some password managers and some password generators to change up the passwords of my account, so yeah, I'm actually scared.
I wasn't aware of all these things before.
Yeah, probably need to apply a two-factor authentication to all of my passwords because I only have a couple enabled. Yeah.
And then you start really thinking, okay, I really have to pay attention to what is happening out there.
As people in the industry say, everything should be secure by design. So by integrating it into people's minds at an early stage, you make sure that it's the case, that people don't forget. They can't forget because it's like the first thing that they think of.
I think it's very important that young people are sensitive to that, because they are a lot on social media and sharing public information on many places, and I think it's very important that they know what the risks are and how to be protected.
I guess a natural thing to learn about, and it really interested me because, as I said, it's about everything, and it's also about understanding how everything works, and I like to understand how everything works, and as a result I wanted to get into it. My favorite password.
What do you mean favorite password, like safest password?
I don't even, I mean a long one I think, with too many characters.
Well, I guess I could have a favorite one, which I of course don't use.
Favorite password? I can't say that.
I'm not going to tell you my password if that's a trick question.
So using like an SQL injection exploit as a password would probably be my favorite type. Of course I wouldn't use it, but it's cool.